Victoria Adebola Omiroti, and I am the counsel to the applicants in this particular case. So we were before the court today, and the Honorable Court did not sit today, and the case has been adjourned to the 9th of July 2026. So that will be all from my side. My name still remains Omiroti Victoria Adebola. Thank you so much.
We are people of Ilaje-Otumara community in Lagos, mainland, Ebute Meta West. We are displeased with what is happening in Lagos State and vis-a-vis the judiciary of Lagos State. For 4 consecutive times, we've been coming to High Court to seek redress concerning the violation of our rights. And we want to tell the whole world that for the 4 consecutive times, the court have not been sitting. And we want to see this as a deliberate act to deny us of justice. And when justice is delayed, is justice denied. When justice is delayed, justice is denied. When justice is delayed, justice is denied. Since March of 7th of March 2025 to 10th of March 2025, we've suffered illegal eviction and forceful eviction, illegal demolition under Lagos State government. As we speak, most of us are scattered, our families are living apart, businesses have been destroyed, people are dying based on high blood pressure, trauma, of everything you can think of. And yet, the perpetrators of this evil are sleeping in their houses, enjoying themselves with their families, while our own families are separated. Children could no longer go to schools. Husband and wife could no longer live together. It is very unfortunate that we have followed all peaceful means. We have written letters, engaged in dialogues, carried out protests, and the last protest on the 28th of January, even the activists that led or that assisted us were arrested. We are the people of Ilaje-Otumara community. We are not happy. We are not happy. And we are saying it, we are not happy. Our rights have been violated. And the people in government whom we voted for, the elected officials that are evicting the electorate, are comfortable sleeping in their respective houses.
My name is Megan Chapman. I'm the co-director of Justice and Empowerment Initiatives, JEI, a human rights organization that has been working in partnership with Ilaje-Otumara community for more than 15 years. A wonderful, well-organized community that was ready for partnership with government in order to see how to do regeneration as a win-win example of how communities and government can partner together. That collaboration goes back to 2021. They were in partnership. The community had set up a regeneration committee. Then along the line, suddenly in 2025, after promises were made during the 2023 elections, in 2025, the community was suddenly finding itself under threat of eviction. As the threat of eviction was coming up, they ran here and there, and they tried to look for how they can stop the eviction from happening. They met with several people in the government, right up to a special advisor to the governor, who promised them that the eviction would not go forward, that the regeneration would go forward, and the community would be part of it. That promise was made 1 week before the demolition of Ilaje-Otumara community. On the 7th of March, 5 caterpillars, 5 excavators came into the community from every side, taking the community unawares, with touts, with police, and they brought down the entire community in the space of few days. 13,000 people evicted from Ilaje-Otumara, Baba Ijora, Fati Regun, and some other surrounding areas. Even after that, we still appealed to the government. That same day, we wrote a petition to the government that why, this promise that you made, why are you now destroying the community, doing everything without consulting the people, without carrying them along? And they made promises once again. They told us that actually they were still going to go ahead with the regeneration. They even publicized the fact that they were going to regenerate the community, and they came to do an enumeration. They had people in the community fill out forms, making so many promises to them that they would be part of what they called a goody-goody that was coming. And instead of that, once they collected the data from the community, they left the people with nothing. And what did they do? They started to sell off the land. We started to hear that 60,000 square plots of land in that space had been sold to a private company in the name of Zenko, one of the wealthiest people in Nigeria. And if you go there now, the place is being sandfields. They're developing what is called Metroview Estate, and plots of land are being sold for 200 million naira per plot. While people are sleeping under the bridge, people are squatting here and there, people have seen nothing. What did the community do after all that disappointment, all that deception? They went to court. It's now 4 court sittings that the court hasn't sat on this case. Since November 2025 up to today, the court has not sat on this case. Today is the 4th date. Justice delayed is justice denied. This is a fundamental rights enforcement procedure. That matter is supposed to be heard very expeditiously, without any delay. And what we're seeing again is adjournment after adjournment. Today they adjourned the matter again to the 9th of July, which will be almost up to 1.5 years since the demolition. This case should have been settled by now. The community should have been compensated and relocated back to their community. Their houses should be rebuilt for them. And if there's a government project, they should be part of the government project. But instead what we're seeing is a private development and land being sold off 200 million naira per plot. Is a crime. It's theft. And we have 1 separate cases at the Epolos Community Court of Justice that said that delaying justice is also a separate violation of human rights, and we're seeing the same thing happening again. So I don't know where we're going in this country if we can't hear the cries of the people, sit with them when they're ready to work with us, and we plan for development, inclusive development. Instead of frustrating the people, frustrating them till they're so tired, they just go and lie down and allow the oppression to run rampant is not what we're looking for. It's not what we expect in this country. So please, I am ready to stand with the people to see this matter to the point where people get justice. Whether through negotiation, whether through court, let us make sure that the people get justice once and for all. Thank you so much.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìyà láti jẹ. Tẹ́ bá rí mi bí mo ṣe rù. Mo rù gan ni mo ti rù jù báyìí lọ tẹ́lẹ̀, ṣùgbọ́n mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Ìyà yẹn pọ̀. Ìyà yẹn ti pọ̀ jù. Afọ́tù wọn, wọ́n gbé pilot paper wá síbẹ̀. Afọ́tù wọn, wọ́n fi wá lọ́kàn balẹ̀ lórí asán. Ìgbà tó máa dé wọ́n kàn gbé caterpillar wá ní òru ọjọ́ kan. Gbogbo àwọn dẹ̀bẹ̀ sí lé wa bí ẹran, bí ẹja. Even ẹja tó wà ní òde kan wọ́n lè lé bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, wọ́n bẹ̀ sí lé wa bí ẹran. A bẹ̀ sí sá káàkiri pẹ̀lú ọmọ pẹ̀lú gbogbo ẹ̀. Ṣé wọ́n fi ìyà jẹ wá, wọ́n wó gbogbo ilé wa? Gbogbo ibi tá ti ń jẹ, tá ti ń mu gbogbo ẹ̀ náà sọ di ilẹ̀ ẹlẹ̀. Púpọ̀ nínú wa ń ṣe wà London Bridge. Báyìí àti pínyà fóònù la fi ń pera wa ta fi wà ń bí báyìí àpọ̀jù báyìí lọ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ló wà ní under bridge ń sìn ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ló dẹ̀ ti kú ń bẹ̀ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ibi gbogbo àwa náà tá a bá ṣe ń pera wa ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ti kú ìjọba ìfìyà jẹ wá àwa aládẹ gbé sí kíní agbé sínú ipò tó wà àfọ́ọ̀tù fún kí ló wá dé tó bá ṣe wá dẹ̀ ti sọ̀rọ̀ yìí o ìgbà tó gbé àpótí ìbò wa bá wa pé gbígbé àpótí ìbò wọ́n ní ká fọkàn ara wa balẹ̀ pé kò sí nǹkan kan àwọn wà lẹ́yìn wa bíi ike àṣẹ wọn tàn wá ni ṣe lọ́wọ́ kan dà wá nù bíi June 12 náà ni ìyà ló ń jẹ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wá ń sìn èmi bí mo ṣe wà bíbà mi ò níṣẹ́ mo ṣe ń wá iṣẹ́ tí àgbàlagbàrà mi sì mo fẹ́ fi lọ ṣe kọ̀dọ̀ tres ṣó da bẹ́ẹ̀ níbi tí ìjọba ti wà dé.
Orúkọ ni wà lára.
Orúkọ
ni wà lára.
Last year, March 7th, the government official came to our community and demolished all the building in our community. Before the demolition, we have several meetings with the government about the renewal of the community. But we just saw a bulldozer this day. I'm already on my way to my working place. My children have left for their school. Then I now received a call from one of my friends and said, they have come. So that was before I will rush to my house. The bulldozer have already reached my building. That was how I lost everything that I have. Now I've been separated with my children because of this thing, because where I later got an apartment is very far from where my children are schooling. And because they are almost done, they are SS3, I cannot take them to where I'm living now and put them to another school. So now this thing is affecting me, affecting my family. Now the court now is even more frustrating because since last year now, this is the fourth time we've been given dates in the court. Yet the court is not sitting on the case. This year, now this is our third time this year that we are coming to this court this year, but yet they keep telling us court is not sitting, court is not sitting. This is so frustrating. Government should please help us, and when even after the demolition, we have meeting with the government. They even promise us a huge thing that they're going to assist us, they're going to compensate us. Till now, we didn't see anything from the government. Nothing. They are just frustrating us.